What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host, and in this video I just want to tell you, be ready for September 13th. If you're a cryptocurrency investor, if you're an equities investor or stock market, right, whatever you are, where you're coming from, we love you, we want you here. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel. There's so much going on right now with ClearCryptos, and you're gonna see it very soon. That's where we're here. But September 13th is a big day for us because, as you're probably aware, Papa Powell from the Federal Reserve, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, he has a very strong, I will say, pace and mentality to reduce the inflation that we're seeing in the United States. And he is going in till the job is done, he said just previously earlier this week. So what he wants to do right now, there's an 80+% chance that he's going to add a higher than 70 basis points, roughly around 75 basis points. That means that if that happens, even though in 5 or 4 days roughly, that we're going to be getting the next CPI data, consumer price index. So we're seeing right now on the screen, the price of Bitcoin already rallying. For what reason? Who knows? I mean, there's so many different, of course, reasons, but sometimes we get good news and the price crashes. So that is why it's like, sometimes you just don't know, but you enjoy it. That's why longs at the end of the day win. So what am I saying here? September 13th, we're going to release the number for August that we're having right now for September, right? So right now it's September. We're looking at the number from August. Number for July, which was released last month, was 8.5% CPI. If this month we get less than 8.5 CPI, you and I are going to enjoy some of the delicious rallies that we've seen so far. Probably from $20,000, it can go all the way to $25,000 or above. Easy, no problem, because that is telling us that what Papa Powell is doing is working, and that is telling us that whatever comes up is going to be amazing. That is briefly and quickly the news that you have to know. All cryptocurrency holders, be ready for September 13th. It's going to be exciting. And well, if this chart excites you with this pump, be mindful, buy what you can afford losing. My opinion, always buy when it's down red, and I think you're gonna be really well in cryptocurrencies. I'll see you next time, everybody. Peace.